Good morning! It's a beautiful day. Good morning! Good morning!
It's 7 a.m. Time to start the day.
I'm going to make breakfast. Eggs?
Bread.
I have eggs and bread. Let's crack the eggs. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. Now I'll toast the bread. I'm setting the table. Coffee is ready. Coffee is ready.
The toast is ready.
I love butter on toast. I love butter on toast. Time for breakfast.
Yay, pancakes! So hungry!
All right, dig in, everyone.
Good morning, Mom!
Good morning, sweetie.
I'm hungry! I'm hungry!
Breakfast is ready. Come sit down.
Breakfast is ready. Come sit down.
Here is your food.
What's for breakfast? Eggs and toast.
What's for breakfast?
Eggs and toast. I like eggs. I like eggs too. I like eggs too.
I like eggs too. Eating together is fun.
It really is.
Yeah, this is great.
I love it.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I had a great dream too. I was a princess. Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well. I had a good sleep, Mom.
I had a good sleep, Mom. I'm glad you both slept well. I'm glad you both slept well. We're done eating. Let me clean up. I need to wash the dishes now. I need to wash the dishes.
Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. I can help, Mom. I can help, Mom. Can I help too?
Of course, sweetie.
Yay, thank you.
Yes, you can dry the cups, dear.
Yes, you can dry the cups. Let's get these clean.
I'm on it. I'm drying. Good job, everyone.
Teamwork.
Good job, kids. Good job, kids. Let's clean the living room. I need to clean the living room now. I need to clean the living room.
I'll help you, Mom. Let's put these books back. Let's put these books back.
Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping.
Now, the room is clean.
I need to do the laundry. Time to do the laundry.
Time to do the laundry.
What's laundry?
Laundry is washing clothes. What's laundry? Laundry is washing clothes. The clothes are washing. Now. The clothes are washing now. The clothes are washing now.
Can I help you fold clothes later? Can I help you fold clothes later?
Yes, you can help me later.
Yes, you can help me later.
Let's make the bed now.
Let's make the bed now. Let's make the bed now. I'll help you, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. We're making the bed.
Can I help too?
Can I help too?
Yes, you can put the pillows on the bed. Yes, you can put the pillows on the bed.
Almost there.
It looks great.
Hey, all done.
The bed looks nice now. The bed looks nice now. The bed looks nice now. I need a little rest. I need a little rest. I need a little rest.
Can we play now, Mom?
Yes, we can play now. Yes, we can play after my break. Yes, we can play after my break.
What are we going to play?
What are we going to play?
We can play a game together.
Let's play a game.
Hey, Ice! No, me first.
All right, let's decide together.
I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family.
We love playing with you, Mom.
We love playing with you, Mom.
Ready, set, throw.
I got it. Mom, catch.
Great.
Playing together is fun.
It's time for lunch now.
It's time for lunch. Let's make lunch.
Everything looks delicious.
It sure does.
I'm starving.
Enjoy your lunch.